Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the limited Halloween merchant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The admin has just released this new Halloween merchant and it's very limited. It will leave after 24 hours and today is 31 of October and this is unexpected guys. I didn't expect that there will be Halloween merchant like this. And as you can see here, you can get the Spider Fine, Monster Flower, Fright Work, Vampire Fang, Spectre, and then Statue, School Face, Cemetery Fence. School Fans, sorry. Okay, and yeah, the items are so limited and so wonderful. I have already bought all these items and after this I'm going to give you review of all the items from this Halloween merchant, and you need to be hurry guys before it's gone. You need to join the Grow a Garden and then you can buy all these limited items. Okay guys, and that's all for this video. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.